Hello everyone, welcome on my channel ASP.NET, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new project in ASP.NET Core and .NET Core latest version 6.0. So first of all, search ASP.NET Core, and here we have a ASP.NET Core web apps, and that is used for the single Razor pages content. And here we have a ASP.NET Core web app model view controller, a project template for creating ASP.NET Core application with that example ASP.NET Core MVC views and controller. This template can be used for the RESTful API HTTP service also. So just select it and just click on the next button, and here we have to select e-commerce app. So e-commerce app dot web project. So e-commerce app dot web project, here we have to select it, and the current version is 6.0. so just use it and just click on to create button, and here we have create a new project web applications. So in ASP.NET Core, the first lesson to use in ASP.NET Core, that is model. If you want to learn more about the models, then we need to do at here, that is use model. So just right click on it and create a new model. Model is a class, you know that, and model is a main important part of any programming language, because the model is directly related to your database and your backend. Model is also used in the business logic layers and the logics. So model is the necessary part for your application. So just create it class, that is class name is product. Okay, so just select it product.cs class. CS, it means C#. Okay, so in the model we have some properties like that. So just type the prop and use double tap of the keyboards, and here we have a model property, that is ID. ID is default for your primary key, and you can say that is a default identity for your table, for your product table. So ID is the primary key for the table, and if you also set the product ID, and also you can set the ID, both are same. And the next properties are prop string name, and name property is actually a required property. So just use annotations required, and that is the validation. So if you want to if you are a beginner in ASP.NET Core, so just use required in the square bracket, and just use control and dot key, control and the dot key of your keyboard, and resolve the namespace using system.component_model.data annotations. So the name property in the product class is required. Similarly, we have description for the product. So string description, prop double price, image URL. A product have image URL, and a product have a category. You know that every product is inside in the category. So a product have a single category. So prop category, and here we have the name of the table, that is category. Okay, so the table name is category, and the reference ID is the category ID. So both table are, a product have multiple categories, you can say, and you know that that is not included, because a category have multiple products. That is the thing, it is the correct thing, you can say a category have multiple products. So you can take another class, and also you can select this, right click on it, and quick action at here, and generate type, and you can say that generate type, generate class category in a new file. Okay, so select this. So here we have category.cs file. In the category.cs file we have some properties also, and you know that the category ID, category name, display order, and created date type. So just use prop ID is the key value, and the property name, so string name, prop, display order, and the last one is created date type. Date time, created date type. Okay, so inside you can say that date time dot now. Okay, that's fine. I mean to say that a category, you can say the category ID, category name, display order, and the date time value. Okay, so the required properties are name and display order. Oops. Required, use control dot to resolve namespace, and also this is required. Okay, so both are model used in shopping cart project. So here we have two models, that is category and the product. A category have multiple products, you can say that a category have multiple products, so the product have a ID property of the category. So this is one. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to e-commerce web app, and later on I will discuss on the connection string as well as a data context class. And data context class is used for generating ORM model, and okay, so mapping between the backend to front end. Thank you very much for watching this video.